I'll be making an extractor fan. The main part is this just fan, inline fan. It's a 16 watt one. It should be enough, maybe, I don't know. It's a mains voltage because you could use the 12-volt ones, but they're not that powerful. Well, okay, there are powerful ones, but these are just cheaper. This one was... Oh. This was €3, I think. Around €3. And to get those more powerful computer fans, they're at least 15. What else are... What I'll be using some ducting, just aluminum ducting. And I got two sizes, because first I got the too small one, and then I got the big enough one. Because this fan is not the same size. Like, see, it's fatter here. So, this fits here, but this one doesn't. This fits here. You could just use one and just cut it in half, or you could just use on the one end and just have the intake, the fume is going straight in. Okay, you'll also need a wire. This is just a spare one I had, but by far the most expensive part is the carbon filter. And the annoying part is that it comes in large sheets. This is not all of it. It was like two... It's this is the size of it. And you only need a tiny piece. Like something like this. It's... well, you'll have a replacement one when the old one gets dirty, but still. This was €5. So, yeah, calling this a €5 fume extractor, yeah, when the filter itself costs €5, not really good, not really the most accurate, but it only needs a tiny piece, so it's, yeah. I also cut off the corner so it fits better, because it's round, and there's no point in cutting it round, because you're still gonna bend it. And of course there's dust all over the table now. Of course. Okay, yeah. This next part is to attach the wire to the fan. Screwdriver. Oh, why is it shorter? Yep. Where's the hole? There's the hole. Will you fit? Of course you won't. Oh, no. It fits. I lied. It fits. I need to pull it through. Shove off the ends. Oh. Chop them. Trip them. Good enough. Twist them. And the connector uses different type of screwdriver. It uses the flat type. I couldn't they make it the same, like there are connection blocks that use cross ones. Okay, and the polarity doesn't matter because it's AC and this is only a 2-pin one. It's not even marked. Yeah, plus it's an European plug, a non-grounded European plug. Oh, damn you! Why don't you? I don't want the wires sticking out. I want them fully in. Go in. Yep, good. Now you go here. How do you... Okay. Now how do I clamp this? Okay. Stay. 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 Don't move. Am I cross-threading these? I think I am. It's so... Why is it so hard? Why? Just why? Okay. Okay. There's not a lot of room. Also, I'm blocking everything with my hands. Yep. Good enough. Now, just squeeze you so you're out of the way. Okay. Now, how will you close? Yeah, sure. We'll close. Now, which is the intake? I think. Yeah, this. So I'll put the filter on the intake. Don't know why. Just because. Oh, so the fan doesn't get dirty. So all the dust doesn't get into the fan itself. I need to flatten the end so it like these are sharp. Like the edge of this tubing is really sharp. So yeah, and I poke myself. Yeah, just flatten this so it's easier to fit it. Yeah, this is top quality content. And of course it's not... Need to cut it. It's a good... And I cut it way too much. It's good that at least regular scissors work for this. And you don't need like tin snips or something. Okay. How do I... Can I? How do I do this? I don't know how to do this. Somehow I'll need to jam you into the tube. Be right back once I figure out how to jam it in. One thing I found makes it easier to tape the filter first and then just twist it in. Because this is I'd say the hardest part. Just fitting this on with the filter itself. Okay, and meanwhile, and I also... This I had prepared earlier. Okay. Now I'll get tape to hold this. Yeah, cause well, oh, I should probably tape this first. Yeah. Tape this. Oh, so the reason I'm doing this with the inline fan, apart from it being the cheapest option, is because it's powerful. Well, I've already said that, but like the other fans I've seen people do, the DIY ones on YouTube, they're either really weak or they're expensive. But this is the best of both worlds. It's powerful and it's pretty cheap. Because for all of them you need to buy the filter, and that's the most expensive part. But you don't need a lot, so you can use it and change it. Of course, this design doesn't incorporate changing well, but we can do it. You're not lazy, are you? Okay. Yeah. Also, I wanted my own design. Yeah, you cannot copy this, of course. Also, the computer fans, like, you need a separate power supply for it. Or if you have a 12-volt system, they're still weak. Like, ugh. This is a better option. Like, sure, you might say it's wasteful or something. I shouldn't cut by the microphone, but still, you might say it's wasteful to use a 16-watt fan. But it's like it's not that you're gonna be using it all the time. All day, every day. Well, if you work in a lab, then you probably have money to buy a proper one. This, of course, this doesn't fit now. Of course. Also, try to flare it out, like bend the edges out, but be careful not to cut yourself, because it's really a thin sheet metal. Also, I hope it doesn't damage the wire. I'll bend it around the wire, so just it doesn't cut into the outer insulation. Still double insulated wire, but it's better safe than sorry. Yeah. Oh, I was thought about using duct tape, but I don't think I'll need it. This tape is strong enough. Oh, the aluminum is drawn on the tape, like lines. No. Yeah. You can see it. Also, it's probably annoying because the exposure isn't locked, so it's wavering up and down. Probably like my voice. Because, is this enough? I think it is. Okay. Off shot. Did I cut? Yes. See, I said be careful, because I don't want to bloody it up. Yeah, like, blood doesn't look nice. I'll also tape this up with aluminum tape, just to look nicer. It's not at all necessary, and it's expensive. This aluminum tape is quite expensive, so if I wanted to look nicer, like, cause yeah, it will look nicer, I hope. On finding the edge is the hard part. Yep, this is annoying. Okay, found it, done. Yes, okay. Okay, finding the edge of the tape is always really annoying. Sure, you can leave a bent piece, make it easy. Oh, this is not wrapping. This is not wrapping nicely. This, no, no, this is not. It's really wrinkled. Yeah, it's not. I hope it would look better, but like, will match the look, but it doesn't even meet up. Doesn't even join up. I mean, okay, I need to cut into this. So yes. Oh, yep. Yeah, it looks better than the white tape. Yeah, good. Now, I'm going to twist it tight, because, well, I said this was a reused cable, but it was off a lamp I never used, so the cable was still tied up. Yep. Now plug it And hope it doesn't explode. No. It's not even that loud. Is it? Wind noise, but the thing itself isn't that loud, is it? Okay. Oh shit. Does it blow? Yeah, it blows. Does it suck? That's not a great thing. Does it suck? No, not. These are too heavy. How about a piece of toilet paper? Wow, it really. Oh, no, it does. I said it sucks. Yeah, it does suck. Does it blow? Yeah, it blows. It's. See? Yeah. Good. And that's that.